If you are wondering if you can experience overheating issues on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer seems to be no, not really. The phone seems to handle different demanding tasks pretty well. I've been watching videos for some time on this phone. I also checked some games that were running on this phone. And I also tried recording some videos on this phone as well, because usually these things tend to make the phone warmer. And of course, the phone can feel warmer, definitely. The temperature can get higher, that's for sure. However, I would not say that the phone overheats. I think it handles the high temperature pretty well. It doesn't feel too hot to keep holding the phone. I didn't notice any performance issues when the phone got warmer as well. So I think the phone is pretty good in that regard. I think you should not really find any overheating issues on this phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.